Today I want to introduce the meaning of my name to you. Wendy is a common name. You can see it everywhere. Wendy's, which is a famous fast food restaurant in the USA, it is very popular. In addition, Wendy is also the character of the Peter Pan. However, even though Wendy is a common name, I think it can represent me. It can represent my personality, my life experience, and my dream. And now I will show you why I think. W means wise. I think I'm wise because there are a lot of books in my house. Although I didn't see all of these books, but I think I read hundreds of books, so I think I'm wise. And E means enthusiastic. I think I'm enthusiastic about doing the thing I decide to do. For example, I joined a volleyball team, I practice a lot, and I got awards. And I also work in a coffee shop. I try my best to learn and to do, and I'm enthusiastic about doing the thing, these two things. And N means naive. This is a memory about me to join the International Volunteer in Nepal. And I took a big bag there, and there are many cute children, and they are all naive, they are all smile and laugh. And luckily, I also met a lot of good friends there. This is a picture. And the next picture is about we sing a song to those children when I need to live there. They are very naive, and I hope that I can keep naive like them. And D means determined. When I came back from Nepal, I decided to go abroad to study because I want to learn the world more. So I study, and I met a lot of obstacles, but I tried my best to overcome them. And finally, I delivered my dreams, and this is my goal in the future. And in the end, Y means yearning, and this is my expectation. Live and yearn. I yearn for new things, yearn for new adventures, and I think as long as I yearn for new things, I can become a much better person. So, wise plus enthusiastic plus naive plus determined plus yearning equal the only Wendy. Thank you.